My name is Siobhan. I am the Training and Development Manager for Resource Productions. The High Potential Talent Summit has challenged me to think more about my leadership and management role by just introducing me to ways of thinking that I've never thought about before. Like really making me think more about myself in my role. Things that like you don't normally put aside time to think about being in this environment. You're forced to think about that, and that's really really good. And think that's quite healthy as well. One piece of advice from today that I think I'm really excited to bring back to my team is just having us think about why we're doing what we're doing. Not necessarily like, did you want to do this job? But like, actively thinking about what does success look like for us in terms of our roles, in terms of our teams, our sub teams. Because then I think we're able to then get in a whole different wavelength and make sure we're all working towards the same goal.